What's up, guys? Colin Coates from Built to Wander. I'm down at 3D Off-Road with Matt Thompson, and behind me is our Wrangler 392 build. Today, we're focusing on the final install of all the Savvy off-road armor. We also will be dialing in all the Baja Designs lighting that goes with that on the front and rear bumpers. And we also have another upgrade that we haven't yet hinted at, and I cannot wait for you to see it. Before we get started, like this video, subscribe to the Built to Wander channel. Let's get after it. There you go. All right, final assembly is well underway. This is my favorite part of the build because things really start to take shape. You get an idea of how everything's gonna look when it's all said and done. We started here with the Savvy Off-Road Legacy Series rear bumper. We've got it customized for some Baja Designs flush mount S2 reverse lights. We're gonna wire those up once everything else is done. But we did have some custom powder coat done from Accurate Powder Coating up near Denver in bronze, which matches the beadlock rings on the wheels. So that's done. Just a nice little subtle touch of color. But otherwise, we had all this painted to match along with the body armor down here along the corners, painted to match the Jeep, and I think it just looks so freaking good. So can't wait to get this thing out in the sunlight and really see it shine. But from here, we're gonna focus up on the front fenders, get those done. We'll do the front bumper and then work back to the rear fenders. All right, so we've got some fenders up here. What are these?
So these are the Rebel fenders with the vents in them. We're modifying these to fit the American Adventure Lab lights in them. So what we're having to do is trim some of these tabs that they use to mount it up and also fit the bracketry so that it fits this and we can still bolt it into the side. So they're actually fitting surprisingly well for not being made for these. So I'm kind of excited how it looks.
Yeah, definitely. So I'm honestly really stoked about these fenders. They're made out of aluminum. They fit almost, they look identical to the factory fenders, but they have these insert louvers, which we had seen on some Jeep concept vehicles, and of course everyone loves that look. Rebel's the first one to actually make them come to life. So excited about that. And with Matt's help and a little extra work for sure, time and work, we're able to get this American Adventure Lab light under here. We got some more fitting up to do, but I'm pretty confident we'll get it to work, and then it'll look pretty sick when it's all said and done.
Absolutely.
If that's kind of this position, that's where kind of has those pieces. All right, Rebel fenders are in place. Everything's bolted up. We modified both sides. The American Adventure Lab lights honestly look really good with these. Was kind of surprised that we were able to make it work. Thanks to Matt Thompson and his ingenuity. That guy can pretty much MacGyver anything and make it work. So I'm gonna go, we got them wired up. I'm gonna turn on the Jeep and just see what they look like. So it took one more day to button everything up on the final assembly side. It was just Matt and I in the shop, so we were kind of helping each other out, getting as much stuff done as we could. We got the front inner fenders from Savvy Off-Road installed. We finished up all the wiring for the Baja Designs lighting. We've got the Squadron Pros up on the front bumper, the SAE fog lights in the corners, the Squadron Sports up on the A-pillar, S2 reverse lights, and 8 rock lights installed underneath the Jeep. Super stoked with how it's turning out. Guys, drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think of how this build is taking shape. Make sure you stay tuned. We've got another episode dropping of a few final accessories. And as always, hit the like button if you did and subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, wander on.